Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a delicious and easy iftar snack, cheesy pizza wraps. It's cheesy and super delicious. So let's get started. So first, heat some oil in a pan. Add 2 to 3 chopped garlic cloves. Add 200 grams of small chicken pieces and saute it until it changes the color. So next add 1 big chopped onion and let it cook until soft. Add chopped capsicum and mix well. Now I am going to add some spices. 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon garam masala and salt to taste. And also add 1 tablespoon of flour and combine all the ingredients together. Pour in half cup of milk and let it cook until thickened. Finally, add some grated cheddar cheese and mix well. The stuffing is ready. Now I'm going to take a wrap and cut it in half. I place some cheddar cheese on it. Then add some prepared filling. To seal it, apply flour water mixture to the edges and fold it into a triangle shape like a pizza slice. Place them on baking tray and add mozzarella cheese on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts and turns golden brown. Our cheesy pizza wraps are ready. So if you enjoyed this recipe, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.